What's up, Mike D?
Nothing much.
What are you doing?
De-janking my car. I'm taking off these FUGEN badges.
Mugen badges?
I already took the rear one off if you want to go take a look.
Have a Twizzler. You've only had these badges on like for a couple of weeks, it feels like.
Yeah, it was a phase.
It was right here. These are genuine Honda black badges. But he had these fake Mugen badges on there and is taking them off.
What?
I'm such a proud dad. What's wrong?
I'm crying about not being able to put Christmas lights on my house.
Oh. Yeah.
My first world problem.
We've had lights on the house every year since we've been here.
Yep.
But we need a new roof. So, because of the roof, we can't put our lights up. Normally the Christmas lights reflect in the cars and it looks all cool. Not this year. I think it was, that's for the headlight. I think it's going to be, yeah, that.
Oh, that's not 10.
That. Oh no, not that one. Well, here's a 12 that you can use on that here. Ugh. Okay, lefty with an open. It's not working. Oh my God. Jeez. All right, I'm not gonna mess with it. So yeah, this badge, which, where'd you get that? On Amazon or eBay or something?
Both badges were on eBay. The other one's actually on the table.
It's actually a metal badge and has like studs behind it, and it bolts in place. So it's actually, as fake badges go, pretty good. But you can make just enough room to get behind the grill by loosening up these like core support mount areas. Get these leaves out of here. All right, cool. Well, I'm in support. It's a fake-ish sort of, well, whatever, aftermarket grill, which actually looks pretty good. Mm-hmm. And then the H badge is part of the genuine kit that we had. These little under spoilers, where'd these come from? eBay also?
eBay.
Yeah, they look pretty good. It was the side and then the center, like, splitter.
Can't.
I don't know. It's a pretty sharp car, but I'm in support of no fake parts. All right, I need to put my other hand in there so he can do this. Show you the finished result.
We got Mr. Hilto here helping me out. De-janking my car here. You need me to, I got a free hand. You want me to hold something?
No. I just need to. Thankfully, this wrench is pretty long.
Yeah.
Thankfully, the tool is long. That's what she said.
That is not what she ever says.
Really?
No.
She says it.
Good Twizzlers. The perfect car part working on snack.
We don't endorse Twizzlers, we just have them.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's hard.
You said that too.
Well.
All right. The screws, the nuts are loose.
Mm-hmm.
But now I gotta get the fingers in there.
Thank your dads, guys.
Aw.
This one's awesome.
Aw, thank you for saying that.
I like this one.
Oh, here it comes.
Coming on. Yeah, it's pretty tight fit in there.
I know. I'm kind of tweaking the AC condenser a little bit, but you know.
Well, this way with the badge off the car and my main badge all black with the tinted headlights, it's going to be a completely blacked out front of the car, and it's going to look a lot cleaner because the badge kind of stands out, which works if you have like an SI or a Type R, but if you've got a fake Mugen badge like me, it kind of just looks a little jank. So yeah, I only had it on for a few weeks before I decided to remove it. And it's getting there.
I'm just gonna pass this little nut out. There's that.
Where'd it go?
It rolled just right there underneath.
Oh
the
yeah.
civic.
Yeah, these tiny little nuts. Holding my badge on. He's working.
Day and night.
Day and night. See, got this main panel off
All right.
with the 10 springs, Flex Z.
Oh Jesus.
You got it.
Okay, I only dropped one, and I didn't drop my Twizzlers
You
either.
didn't drop the Twizzlers.
But
That's
we've got
important.
This little metal bracket fell down in there.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah,
Got my handy dandy
one of these.
magnet tool.
I love that thing. We'll get down in there. It's in the abyss. It's got it, and hey, it's out.
All right. Cool.
Jank badge removed.
Better.
Now we got to throw this thing back on, and we'll show you the final result. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.